Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. In today's video, we will show you how to easily find the copyright status of your videos on YouTube using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Once you're in YouTube Studio, navigate to the Contents section located on the left-hand side of the screen. Step 3. Scroll through your list of uploaded videos and select the one you want to check the copyright status for. Step 4. After selecting the video, click on the Details tab to access additional information and settings for your video. Step 5. Within the Details tab, you will find a menu on the left-hand side. Click on Copyright to view the copyright status of your video. Step 6. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Status Overview section, which will display the copyright status of your video. By following these simple steps, you can easily find the copyright status of your videos on YouTube using your PC. Understanding the copyright status of your content is crucial to ensure compliance and avoid any potential copyright issues. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful YouTube tips and tricks.